This Miromaa video is going to be a bit about file management and just preparing our files before we create our first database or our first language database. So we've got the login screen open, but I'm actually just going to go over to my documents, and I'll let you navigate to my documents on your computer, which could be a Windows 7, 8 or Windows 10 operating system. So I go into documents. I'm going to create a new folder, and for this I suggest calling it the Miromaa language work. It's pretty easily descriptive, and will now go into this folder, and I'm going to create a couple of other folders here. Now these are my suggestions, and it's up to you whether you follow these, but this is what we're going to suggest, and we'll be pretty close to sticking to these this folder set up throughout other tutorials or videos or a manual which we may produce as well. So as you can see, I've created a first folder called databases, which will be where the Miromaa databases will be saved for all the various languages which you'll work on. I've created one called exports. Now I'm going to do library. These are all pretty self-explanatory as well. Media will be a cool one there, because that's where we shall have we can make some separate folders here for audio, video, and any images which we might have relevant to Miromaa. So I'll just go back there. Yeah, so as you can see, we've got 4 folders suggested for you to have. The most important one in your Miromaa language work folder is databases, which is, like I said, in the next clip, you'll see how we actually create our first language files in the database folder there. But also suggested you could also have a document folder, and also possibly a research folder. Up to you. But there is what I would say is a good default set of folders for your Miromaa language work. The big tip about all of this is that when you go back one level just to your documents folder there, your Miromaa language work folder, that's the one to back up. If you back up that folder onto a stick, external hard drive, network server, Dropbox, any other cloud like OneDrive as well there, one folder and everything will be backed up. Okay, so this is a great way of actually managing that there as well. That is it for preparation of your files.